Station, reasonably priced, and I use it every time. I made a sudden reservation for work and stayed overnight. I thought it was a bit small, but it was clean, quiet, and I was able to relax comfortably. The staff's response was very impressive. Also, the complimentary breakfast was a great help. The breakfast was also great for free. The reception staff were friendly and smiling, and the indoor cleanliness was excellent. The free breakfast was also great. I would like to use it again if I had the opportunity. The price is low, but the location is excellent. It is centrally located near Manpukuya, Abaranbo Chicken, Okazaki Park, and Higashi Okazaki Station, making it easy to access anywhere. The breakfast is light fare like rice balls, toast, and drinks, but I was grateful they provided it. If I had to say something, I use it during business trips, and I am satisfied with its comfort. I would like to use it again.